Everyone thinks trading is all about a strategy, but that's not the whole story. For you to become a consistent profitable trader, you need to master all these 5 things fast so you can become a profitable trader. So in this video, I am going to teach you how you can master all those 5 points so you can save up to 6 months of your life and all the capitals that you are going to burn through. So without wasting any more time, I am your host and friend Arnab. Let's get started. So why are these points very important? They are gonna save at least 6 months of your life easily. And if you are an old trader and still struggling, this is going to help you also. Because trust me when I say you, these are the only 5 things that is keeping you away from being a consistent profitable trader. So let us begin with number 1, consequence of fear. Well, having fear in trading is very good. It's important for you and for your capital. You are not going to overtrade and you are not going to blow your account. But this also causes many trouble because you have a good setup in front of you and you suddenly think, oh my god, what if this not happen and I'm going to lose money? You start having doubt inside you. Even though it's a 100% winning setup, you are still going to be in confusion. What if it does not work? And that's totally fine. That's totally good for you. But what happened next that trade went winning and you didn't took the trade. And in that exact moment, there enters the second thing, which is FOMO, or being impatient in trading. The second thing, FOMO, kicks in after the first one, because when you are in constant fear that I am going to lose the trade, what if I am going to lose this trade, in those times you leave so many trades without taking them, but you see them winning, and in that moment you create a feeling in your heart known as the FOMO, fear of missing out. So because of consistently losing so many opportunities, then you start being impatient and you start taking those trades which are not good for you, which are not an 100% setup, but you still take them because of you don't want to miss out anymore. You have developed that fear, I am going to miss it, I am going to miss the opportunity, I am losing time. So this time you start taking those trades which are not good for your capital and not for your emotions. So you can only see me talking about the problems. I will come up with the solution, just give me some time. So let's get to the point. What happened when you start trading with FOMO and losing money? After losing the money, you start the revenge trading phase, the number 3 one, revenge trading. What happens in revenge trading? You lose $50, then you took $100 trade. You lose a $100 trade, you took a $200 trade, and just like that, you just blow your whole account. It doesn't matter if you're doing binary or Forex, because if you're in binary, you are gonna do MTG. If you are in Forex, you are gonna take much more leverage trades. I have been there, and not just that, I even lead a community, so I have seen so many traders with my own eyes. So I exactly know what happens. But what if now you are in profit? You didn't make the lose in the first place. You took a perfect setup. You did a $100, $200 profit, but you still don't want to call it a quit because you think, okay, I am the king of the market is going in my direction, I should take more trades. But that is where you are going wrong, because a human brain can take only 3 to 5 or 6 at most decision that is meaningful per day. That means your brain can actually not take too much of decision that is too much important for you. So if you are saying I'm gonna take too much trade, I'm gonna make so much money, no, your brain can't physically and mentally do that. So if you are in profit, you have done some good job, because if you have daily target and you have achieved it, just get out of the market, no second question. Because let me explain what happened next. Suppose you are in $200 profit. Now if you got a loss, suppose you made a loss of $100 and you are at $100 profit now, you will tell yourself, let me just recover my profit. And now you make another loss and your profit is at 0. And now you say to yourself, let me just recover my profit. And now you are at even bigger loss. Because why? Because you are in revenge trading, you are in FOMO. And guess what happened next? Your whole capital is a big 0. So managing greed is also important. Having a well established or a good trading strategy. Now you might think this is the most hardest thing. How am I gonna make a profitable trading strategy? Where can I find a good setup? Who is gonna teach me the good setup? And trust me, this is the most easiest part. You can easily develop a trading plan which is easily 7 to 80% accurate. But the other 4 points I have talked about, they are going to easily take 6 to 1 year. You are gonna struggle with them and you won't even know how to fix it. Where are you going wrong? Those are the biggest four enemy, not the fifth point. The fifth point is the easiest thing that you can fix even today. Anyway, let's talk about the fifth point, the establishing a good trading strategy. So you need to have proper strategy. Like if you are trading on Bitcoin or something, you need to use this kind of things. This kind of things show you where the buyer and sellers are coming. If you want a scalp, you can just look at the chart and see that okay, the buyers are here, the sellers are here, I should get in here, I should get out here. So you need a proper robust plan. You need proper technical things to understand the market. If you just say this is the support, the market should go up, no, this is not how trading works. And if you're trading on Forex, you need order flow, you need proper tools. And if you don't have all those tools, you are trading on the OTC market, you need to understand the proper market range, from which point to which point the market is moving, what is the market target. So these are all the problems that will happen to you. So now let's talk about the solution. First we will talk about consequence of fear. So here is the thing, when you see a proper setup, when you are starting the trade, don't be afraid of taking the trade and set a proper stop loss limit. Suppose you have a $100 account, set the stop loss to $5. If you lose $5, you won't trade. Set up a discipline for yourself so you can protect your capital. So when the day starts, you know, no matter what goes wrong, I can only lost $5, not more than that. So what can go wrong? Because I know that at the worst, I can only lose $5. And if your account is a $1,000 account, at most you can lose $50, and that you can easily recover in the next 2 to 3 days easily and be in a good profit. So don't risk more than you can lose, because if you do that, you are gonna be in trouble. So to remove the fear, set up a limit how much you can lose per day, and don't be afraid of taking the trade. That is good. So when you fix this problem, the problem of FOMO will also go out, because now you are taking your setup. And now when it comes to the revenge trading, you can only lose $5 or $50, the 5% of your capital a day. So no matter what you do, you can lose only this much of amount. You can blow your whole capital a day. So again, by setting up a disciplined proper plan for your trading, you can avoid all these three problems at once. And managing greed is simple. Set up a daily profit target like 6%, 7%, and if you want to be safe side, 4 to 3%. And when that target is hit, you just get out of the market. No more over trading, because the moment you start trading too much, your brain just literally can't handle it, and you start making wrong decisions. So to avoid the greed thing, set up a daily profit target or an amount of trade you can take a day. Suppose you can take 3 to 5 trades a day. If you're done trading those trades, then you just get out. Doesn't matter if you are in a $1 profit or a $100 profit, you just get out of the broker. Now comes to the number 5 point, having a good strategy. Well, I don't have a direct answer for that, but in future I'll be showing you guys how you can trade like me, all the strategies that I use, all the technical analysis that I do, so you can learn directly from me. And always remember, trading is just not a simple thing. It's kind of a puzzle. You put everything together and then it works. Now don't be afraid of what I said. It's actually simple, but you need to put everything together and understand everything as a team, so you can be consistently profitable. And always choose a proper broker, so when you are profit, they don't block your account or don't let you withdraw. In my previous year, I have seen so many brokers, when you do profits on those broker, they don't let you withdraw your money. There are many brokers who doesn't even have a proper website. Like if you set up a trend line or an horizontal line, you switch the chart, then come back, you will see your horizontal line and the trend lines are all gone. Poof. So you need a proper broker who have a website where you can analyze properly. And also having your money at the same place is also good. Like in front of me, I have Olymp Trade, where I can easily do Forex trading, I can easily do binary trading, I can easily buy up stocks, I can do any kind of trading from one place. So with my money, I don't have to waste time going to this website, this broker, KYC doing there and verifying them, sending them email. You don't need to do all those things. All those things are just consuming your energy. Try to save your energy and put it where it actually means. So choose a good broker that doesn't scam you. So that wraps up everything. I hope this video was helpful, and if you feel the information was good in this video, be sure to like and subscribe. So that's it for today, guys. I'll be meeting you guys again on my next upcoming videos. Till then, take care, goodbye, and trade responsibly and trade carefully.